Nnamdi Kanu is a true prophet. He always says something that those who are fighting the children of God will cover their face with shame, and it's happening as we dey talk right now. As all of us know, say the directorate of state wey be the DSS, the secret police of Nigeria, wey they dey call DSS. They say as the man resign, all of him junior staff but the one wey dey follow am back, everybody now dey open party for him head. They dey celebrate say the man is going. No be small thing, no. Things are happening. This na the man wey vow say no go gree o, he no go gree. He is one of the persecutors wey dey persecute Nnamdi Kanu today. As e be like this now, the man don waka with shame o. My people, things are happening. We go play you the video, make you see how the people dey rejoice over this man resignation. My people, abeg wanna share this video and make sure say you dey follow this channel, because where you dey get information of things wey dey happen, no one follow am, no be juju be that. Make you try to follow the channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you go get our update back to back as e dey hot. Okay, my wonderful people, I'm going to play you the video the moment wey DSS dey rejoice. We get a lot of story to tell today. Stay tuned, just watch the video. My wonderful people, una don see am. Now as the man resign, everybody come put party, everybody dey happy. Some dey jump up, some dey jump down. No be small thing. As e be like this now, they don't do am send off, making waka comot o. Okay, my people, let us go inside Ikwere and know wetin dey happen for that area. One of you Ikwere brother don come outside come tell all of him brothers wey dey claim say they no be Ikwere. Hear wetin this our brother tell them. He get the heavy message wey send give them. Watch the message.
Me that is telling you that we are Igbos. Me that is telling you we are Igbos. I'm the right man to tell you, because my father, my parents, and everyone, grandfather, great-grandfather, all of them are Iwura people from Rumewa. In the part of Rumewa that my father came from is where they call Mbuakre. This same Mbuakre is also everywhere in the Ikwere land, everywhere in the southeast. Everywhere in Edo, we have Mbuakre. To show representation of what I'm saying, that it is true that we are Igbos. All the names in Ikwere land, all the names of our community, all of them reflect in southeast. Go to southeast, all the names still reflect in southeast. If you have Shõcķ, you still have Shõcķ there. If you still have Rumukrushi, you still have Umukrushi. If you have Rumawa, you still have Umuawa. If you have, all of them are replicated in the southeast. All our Ikwere villages are all replicated in the southeast. So who is coming to deceive us that we are not Igbos? No one can deceive us anymore. Go and do your DNA test. Once you do your DNA test and it proves that we are from Edo, I will drop this movement. I will drop it. I will no longer call myself an Igbo man. Me, Chimenu Amadi, I will no longer call myself an Igbo man. Bring the DNA test, and through which that DNA test must be conducted through a complete DNA, like me, who does not have a mixed blood in my lineage. I do not have a mixed blood in my lineage. So it is people like me that should be allowed to contest or to go and conduct a DNA test. Call me anytime. I'm ready. so that we will know this thing and so that everybody can go and rest. We are tired of this denial. The shame is too much. It's not shameful that we are look at how we are disgracing ourselves. Our children everywhere are disgracing themselves, disgracing them. Are we not supposed to monitor our children?
My wonderful people, no be small thing though. As you don't watch am, na so we take see am. You know say this Ikwere people, e don too much. But however, the Igbos don already talk say if you say you no be Ikwere o, you no be Igbo. If Ikwere say you no be Igbo, no wahala, we dey watch una. But as our brother don't come outside with this clarification, is more better. Let us look into the past message where the Igbo leaders don't send give Tunumbu, make you no forget to you people should never play any game on us again because it's going to backfire on you. Our anger don't arise. Our anger no be that one no. In the days of the 90s, no, this one now. And I no talk to me and do not hold me and do not stop me. Watch the message where they send to Numbutel and say release Nnamdi Kanu now. If anything happen to Nnamdi Kanu, if people go collect water. Just watch the message.
For the non-payment of tax, Igbos contributed money. 8 Igbos, including my late father. 8 Igbos contributed £22 in 1937. Went to Lagos and got H.O. Davis. And some went on Isha and brought Ebuna. And they came to Guzo Magistrate Court and make sure that Ahmadu Bello was discharged. That was how finally they made him Sardauna of Sokoto and entered into politics. That gave rise to the alliance between NCNC and NPC that lasted for more than half a century. Tell me, what else can Igbos do in this country to show love of country, to show love of fellow citizens? At each turn, we receive condemnation. It is even more, so painful that the person condemning us should die, they should kill us. It's an Igbo boy in the name of Asari Dokubo. And he does not see why Nnamdi Kanu should be released. So I find it very painful even to discuss the matter. But like I warned, or rather advised Buhari's government, and I advised Tinubu, because I know him one-on-one. When I was chairman of NRC, he was a senator. I met him severally. I will advise him in his own interest of this country, and for the love of this country, that they should release Nnamdi Kanu. Buhari said, let the legal process take its course. The legal process has taken its course. The Court of Appeal, second highest court in this land, has discharged him, and they are still holding him. I pray that nothing happens to that boy in prison, that he does not die in prison. If he does, they can call it an advice, they can call it a threat. The situation will not be the same in this country.
The message clear, abi no clear, is very clear. This government will say that they no tell them. And tomorrow they go come bring one thing, they come outside. We tell una the initial time, the reason why I send them the Kanu, the court have set him free, and that is where we hold hand. Okay, my people, as it be like this now, they say for northern Nigeria, no be small kasala, they boss for that area. Every corner of northern Nigeria, they say the people where they call terror, those people they do America wonder for that place. So as we they talk now, they say they don't go carry teacher, carry student, buy people where they buy, even carry police, so even carry things are happening in northern Nigeria. And I am not seeing the Nigerian military rolling their armor tanker, going and singing, we go crush them, going and singing. No, I'm not seeing it too. But in Southeast, they will be showing their power. No be smarting. But however, na so it be on the country where we dey inside. Some part of the country are more important, and when issues are happening upon all the whole by where they go on for there, they no fit go rescue those people. But they are busy showing their power in Southeast, and they collect water for inside Southeast as well. Okay, my people, now so we'll see more, and I will say we'll bring and come show. And I beg, share this video as it is hot. Don't forget to follow this channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell so that time when we upload, you go be the first person we're going to get our update back to back. Okay, my people, we'll see you for the next